There it is, in chat. A purple ball. Where?
I don't see it.
What the fuck?
I'm so confused.
There! Purple ball? Is this what it's talking about?
I slept rough last night.
Purple ball? Oh, whoa! Purple ball! It moves! No! Wait, purple ball!
Purple ball?
Come here!
What the fuck? Purple ball? Purple ball!
Soccer!
No! Purple ball!
Purple ball!
Purple ball! Purple ball!
No, 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 no!
Purple ball! Purple ball! Purple ball! Purple ball! Purple ball!
No, no,
No, no, no, no, no, no! No, 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 purple ball! Purple ball!
Purple ball!
Purple ball! Purple ball! Purple ball! Purple ball! No! Oh, it's good, it's good, it's good, we're good. Okay. Oh! Oh! No! No! You
Squick? That's not a word.
I'm sticking like arrows in your head right now.
What the fuck? Stop it.
Sticking like a lot of arrows in your head right now,
You
dude.
know what I'm gonna stick in your head?
Oh, don't make this weird. What the my bicycle?
Going grenado mode.
Oh, spike.
Why are there swinging spike balls? What is this?
Sorry, I didn't realize I accidentally made my way into Bowser's castle.
Yeah, why are we in like the Looney Tunes dimension? That's obvious.
Kill yourself.
Oh.
Oh. I don't know why that's so fucking funny.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Well, I got on the internet, said it, guess I gotta do it.
Oh, well, see you later.
Connection terminated. I'm sorry to interrupt you.
Sorry, that was so bad. That was so
awful.
bad.
You're right, you're right.
It is worth.
You're right, you're
We might not
right.
even have to do that.
You're right. I'm gonna go salute Kate's grave again.
Oh, Spider-Man fan
Right.
art.
You're so cringe.
No, I
Sorry.
love him!
That's mean. That's mean.
Blunder. Shadow Spectre just.
I got another bow. Let's go. Remains to be seen if it's better than this weapon. Oh my god, ogre!
Yeah.
Ogre!
Yeah.
Stop customizing! Mark, watch out! There's an ogre!
Hold
Mark!
on. Hold on. Give me a second.
Sitting there the whole time customizing while fucking people are dying around you.
It's okay. Okay, I'm back. What's up? There's no ogre. I don't see him.
The ogre's gone!
Oh. Brett, look at me.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hey, what the fuck are you saying?
What? You want to peek the
Oh.
big titty dude?
Sure. It's over there, but I fell down.
We can make that?
I think.
Alright, well, let's find out, shall we? 1, 2, 3. Yes, you can.
I fell down. Further into the earth we must venture. Oops.
Actually, this is the Europa.
Kill yourself!
Is it for something called calf?
Yeah, dude.
This time it's gonna work.
It'll work, pretty please,
did it.
please.
Dude, you
And I thought the max amount that you could hold in your inventory was 12, but actually it's 13. That's not fucking even. Fuck you. Hi, Mark.
I was like 2 inches from making it.
Oh.
I wasn't even sprinting.
I got there. See you later. That was really. Hold on, I'm gonna. That was really funny from my perspective.
I got football!
Hey, just throw it at it.
Touchdown!
Hi.
Finish it!
Football! Football! Touchdown! Football! Football touchdown! Touchdown football! Oh.
Wanna know something awesome?
Hmm?
It's not that.
Bro, are you really tried them?
This pistol is like
Spider-Man
arousingly good sound design.
Arousingly?
It's so good.
Yo! Caught in 4K?
Shut up! Kill yourself!
Local energy.
The scan, bro. I'm investigating
scan.
so hard.
Investigating so fucking hard right now. I've got lotion on my investigation.
Let me hop on my whip.
The vehicle. The vehicle. The jalopy.
Malahayati's submined vault.
What?
What the we have to do? It's like James Bond. I did it.
Oh, it's like James Bond. It's probably fine if I touch these then.
Guardian down. Vault security up.
Damn it.
You know what to do, Guardian.
That's going in there. God damn it!
Maybe this guy will drop some
Like,
gloves.
I think this is all we get from this.
Return to the revolver? Okay. Oh, okay.
Look at this. Nuclear bomb.
I'm not looking.
Oh.
Oh.
I guess I'll kill myself then.
Guardian down.
I just heard Guardian down. Because shows are bad.
No, house is peak.
All shows are bad.
What the fuck? Gravity well? I hate this game.
It does not sound like you're having a fun time right now.
Not happening.
I'm too tired for this. It's 1 in the morning. I want to fucking sleep.
It's 1 in the morning?
What?
It's 1 in the morning. It's
Oh,
1 a.m.
you
It's
gotta be
1:02
shitting me.
a.m.
It's 1:03 a.m. It's
Oh.
1:02 a.m.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Oopsies.
You play Geometry Dash.
I haven't I haven't touched that game in 100 years.
Where did this come from? 3D,
I'll glimmer. Hold them off.
What is
like
up?
this.
Okay, what the fuck is up with our ghost in this area specifically? He's such a cock.
Why? Why does he sound?
There's something wrong.
Never mind, I'm gonna play this when it's daytime.
Our ghost is not normally this much of an ass.
He got asshole disease. Rest in peace.
No, he talked to you for too long.
Fuck off, you fucking. See, exactly
where he gets it from. Time for the fun part.
Oh boy.
Wait, you have fun with playing video games? That's kind of...
No. We're playing Destiny, what do you think?
Oh, yeah,
Off. He's
Or just-
right there.
I like car, but like the vehicle.
No, like fart get.
Oh!
How did you not think of that?
I
You're like-
have a very sophisticated sense of humor, and fart jokes do not come to me naturally, obviously.
You are just lying.
That's going in the video.
That's going in the video.
You are just lying.
You are just lying.
I mean, I am, but they don't know that. Maybe I'm a very sophisticated individual. I've got a persona to upkeep. Oh, like a game.
Fuck off. I hate you so much. Hey.
What? The Mindscape?
What?
Enter
Why
the
are we in
Mindscape?
The psionic projection.
I'm in his mind palace.
Build solar wizard.
What the fuck?
I mean, I void because it's funny, but I have my ultimate now. What do you
I also had my ultimate, but I committed to the bit.
Well, maybe I'm just a bitch then.
Yeah, exactly.
Glad we could agree on that.
Oh. Well. Yeah, but the choice, dumbass.
Hello? Boink.
Guardian, I'm making the elimination card your priority.
Like bargain, dude. Because he's free. Got him!
Okay.
That was a whole roast, bro. I'm gonna put that in the video so people will tell me how good of a roast that was.
Oh, fuck off. I hate you so much. We all gotta hit on the button. Oh,
where are we going?
Where
are we?
The two.
Oh,
Ball dimension? Ball location.
Wasteland!